A new Veterans Center at MTSU is one step closer to opening thanks to a big donation from a country music star. Charlie Daniels Foundation donated $50,000 to that project. New at 10, News Channel 5's Emily Luxon caught up with him at his 79th birthday celebration tonight to learn more about the project. Emily?
Well, yeah, this is obviously very personal for Daniels. He started the nonprofit The Journey Home Project to help veterans across the country, and he hopes this is just the latest way to make a difference. At Charlie Daniels' 79th birthday bash, he shared the spotlight with a cause that is close to his heart.
We owe them an unpayable debt of gratitude. We can never, ever do enough for our veterans.
With his nonprofit organization, The Journey Home Project, Daniels is doing his part to help and donated $50,000 to support a new Veterans Center at MTSU.
This Veterans and Military Family Center will be the largest and the most comprehensive in the state of Tennessee.
This center was partially funded with money raised at the Volunteer Jam in August. The $329,000, 2,600 square foot facility will be located on the first floor of the Keithley University Center. It will feature resources for student veterans ranging from financial aid to benefits to even health issues like PTSD.
I view it as a location where they can come and ask any question, feel comfortable, be around people that they trust their judgment.
They'll have that facility to not only study, to visit with other veterans. The VA is going to provide services there.
Daniel says the center is designed to help student veterans navigate life on campus and ultimately find jobs and support they need.
So it's ultra important to us to be able to help our veterans out when they come back from their service, to make a transition back into civilian life.
As finishing touches go up at the center, Daniels is hopeful it will make a difference in thousands of lives.
It's going to be wonderful. I'm looking forward to it.
The MTSU Veterans Center is scheduled to open November 5th, and that will include a ribbon cutting and dedication. And of course, Charlie Daniels plans to be there. Reporting live in the newsroom, Emily Luxon, News Channel 5.
Emily, thanks. Right now, there are roughly 980 veterans enrolled at MTSU. The total undergraduate student population is about 23,000.